Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, remember to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today's wig is from Lace Rosa and it comes in this beautiful box, and in the box are some little things that they give you. Now here's the wig, and the wig is a 20-inch length. It do come pre-pluck and stuff, but I'll show you guys that further on down into the video. So in the box you get a little paper saying like thank you or dear customer, saying some nice things and also talking about your next purchase, etc, etc, and how you can reach them and stuff. These are the curling rods if you want to, like, you know, keep your hair intact, and that's it. Now with the wig, you it has 4 combs, one here, one there, one there, so, and adjustable straps in the back, which is really good. It also comes pre-pluck, but not that pre-pluck to where you're like, you know, it still needs a little more detail, which I'm going to go in later on. And the lace is medium brown. So here we go now. So the items that I'm going to use today are here. So we're going to need a comb, also set a brush to apply the bleach, a container to mix the bleach powder and stuff in, shimmer lights to wash out and to not let the lace look brassy, and this is the bleach powder that I'm going to use today. And going to use a 40 volume developer. I choose to go with this, but if you're like scared, you could go with less strength. I'm a beginner, so I decided to just work with this one. No, I didn't show how many scoops I put in, but I did put in 3 tablespoons, I think, or maybe it's more. And some of the developer now, you know, if you watch a lot of hair videos, you know, person don't really measure this. They just go by the consistent by adding the developer until it reach that consistent like a toothpaste, but never like a pancake mix. Nope, you don't want to go that far. It's gonna be too runny and it's gonna lead down into the lace. From what I learned, if it reached like a pancake mixture, it should be like if you're gonna put it on the hair itself, you understand, so you just smooth it on and stuff. But if you want to put it on the lace, you're gonna definitely need it to be thicker. So I'm going to mix until I get my desired you know, how I want it to look and stuff. Now as you can see here, it's coming along, but it still needs a little more because it was really thick, so it just needed a little more, plus it wasn't completely dissolved. Now if you have like those little tiny whisk, I would say it will work better than using the brush. So that's a little tip right there, because it was so difficult for me to mix it out and stuff using the brush. So I'm just gonna keep adding more until, as I said before, I reach my desired consistency. Alright, so here, if you have your mixing bowl, if you have your spray bottle with water, you could just spray it on the airline and stuff, just to bring those here backwards. So when we're ready to apply the bleach, everything is just in one direction, if you understand what I'm saying. It just bleach better that way. Plus I've been watching a lot of videos and that's what person said, so I'm just gonna follow. So we're putting it inside out on the mannequin head, our styrofoam head, and we're also gonna make sure that it's secure and all of that. So a little disclaimer, guys, I'm not a professional. I'm just doing something that I watch here on YouTube, other videos. So yeah, so now I'm just going to gently apply the bleach to the lace, and I'm trying my best to take my time to not like let it soak down into the lace to where it's like touching on the hair and stuff. So another tip that I would like to add is that I think it's better to add this with like a knife. I just feel like it applied better. This was such a struggle for me using the brush. So I did switch to a knife. You can use a plastic knife or, you know, one of these that you're not using and stuff. So yeah. So we're all finished icing our cake. It's basically that's what you're doing, but just not pressing too much. And we're going to move on. So we're going to let that stay for 10 minutes. Now, I just want to say that it could have went like 15 to 20 minutes, but I choose to just remove it at 10 because it's my first time and I didn't want to mess it up. Now this is where I use the shimmer lights. I did wash out the bleach and apply the shimmer lights to make sure to remove any brassiness or all of that. So that's what I'm doing now. I let it stay for 10 minutes and now I'm going to wash it out, condition it, and put it back on the styrofoam to where I'm going to mold it and style it. So as you can see here, guys, I'm going to use this setting or mousse setting to set my baby ears and how I want the hair to lay for when I'm ready to apply it on my head. So I take a little, just demonstrated. Yeah, just demonstrating here. And I'm using this eyebrow pencil one right there just to style it. I think this works really good. And yeah, I did pluck the hairline a bit, and I did cut down the baby hairs so they wouldn't be that tall. So that's what I'm basically doing here. After I set the hair, I'm going to tie it down so that it can stay in place and dry that way, so that when I'm ready to apply it on my head, it is quite easy. And I find it that doing this really helps with the application, you know, when you're putting it on the hair, your head, you know, especially if you're gonna glue it down and stuff, it just comes in handy. You don't have to style it or anything. It's already styled and formed the way you want it to go. So all you have to worry about is securing it on your head. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I'm going to show you how it looks on me without the baby hairs. I decided to go without the baby hairs. If you want to see a video on how I apply it, you can definitely do that for you. However, it's not in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and comment some video ideas that you would like to see from me. Comment down below things you would like to see here on the channel. Yeah, so this is how it looks. And I just want to say, don't mind those white stuff, it's the glue and stuff.